Welcome to a daily dose of self-love, a time to connect within and nurture the most important relationship of our whole lives, the relationship with our own inner self. Together, we will tune out the external world and tune inward to develop self-awareness, peace, joy, and love, and move in the direction of our greatest, most best self. You give so much to others all day. This is your time to give to you. In today's meditation, you will be guided to receive 3 spiritual gifts from your spiritual connection, and also release any limiting beliefs or thoughts, release what may be holding you back or boxing you in so that you can live your fullest potential. This is a beautiful opportunity to feel the love of earth energy and source energy, to feel the love that you have for yourself. And so I hope you enjoy this meditation and your writing experience, and feel free to leave a comment and let me know about your experience. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, having some essential oil close by, or a comfortable blanket. Have your journal close by also. Let's begin by turning our gaze inward. We drop into our meditation with the intention of turning our gaze inward, becoming still, allowing the wisdom of our heart to flow, to open. We take this slow, quiet time as self-care, as self-love, as a reminder that we are spirit in human form. Take a deep breath into your heart. Your heart is the meeting place of spirit and matter. Physical and non-physical meets in the heart. Breathe deeply into your heart. Feel yourself firmly rooted into the earth. Feel your feet resting upon the earth. Notice the space beneath your feet through the layers of rock and water and fire. Down into the hands of Mother Earth, she holds you, rooted like a tree, belonging. Breathe with the earth, receiving and giving. We find balance in the receiving and the giving. We know that when we give, we are receiving. We know that when we receive, we are giving. Bring your awareness into the space between your ears and between your eyes, in the center of your head. Faith resides here, intuition, trust, openness, and allowance. We take a deep breath into the space of faith. Notice yourself connected above. Feel this connection. See this connection in your mind's eye. What does this spiritual connection look like? This connection to the great mystery, to all that is, to source energy. Breathe with this source energy, giving and receiving. Feel yourself as a spiritual being. You are spirit. And you are human. Bring your awareness back into your heart. And notice this heart space expanding with your breath, expanding with your intention, allowing this beautiful earth and sky energy to meet in the heart and combust, open, grow, expand, surrounding you in a cocoon of love, peace, deep acceptance of what is. No matter what is, we are. Here, we are alive, we are living, we are choosing, we are thriving, we are breathing. No matter what is, we are. No matter what is, we remember our divinity, our humanness, our existence, our life. We remember our connection to spirit, to source, to love, and to each other. We remember. We are. We remember. And as we heal ourselves, we heal the planet. As we grow in our brightness, we shine a light for others. As we choose to slow down and to remember, we help others slow down and remember. We are healing the planet just by sitting and breathing. Just by opening and allowing, we connect to our faith, our belief in something greater, and we trust the beautiful, messy, playful unfolding. We trust the challenge, the joy, the grief, the positivity, the humanness of it all. We accept, acknowledge what is. And in these moments, we can grow in our brightness. See this beautiful heart light growing and expanding with your awareness. Surrounding all of you in this cocoon. In this space, we are safe. We are held. Mother Earth holds us. We are her children. Let yourself be held. And as you do so, let yourself be held. Let yourself receive. Let yourself feel safe. In your mind's eye, you can look above and see this beautiful streaming love energy flowing down as little heart bubbles. Playfully, like the child that you are, grab out and reach one. Playfully see it, thank it, open it, and discover your gift. Take that gift into your heart. Playfully look up, see another heart bubble falling down, and receive it into your hands. Hold it tenderly and gently. Thank it. Open it and receive your gift. Take this gift into your heart. And if you feel called to do so, receive one more gift. Take this gift into your heart. Knowing that you are safe and held by the hands of Mother Earth and the love of Source energy. Notice, identify what it is you wish to release in this moment. What is not serving you? What is limiting you? What feels heavy or like it's boxing you in? With love and gentleness, release this to the earth. Let Mother Earth's hands hold this and transform it. You do not need to hold on to this limiting belief, this boxing in, this feeling of stuckness. Let it go. We say thank you. We know that we belong. We know that we are healing. We know that we are moving in the direction of our highest potential. We know that we are making the world a better place. Bring a smile to your face. Thank these hands for receiving and giving. And place them somewhere on your body. As you move through your days ahead, know that you can call upon this image of your cocoon to help you feel safe, loved, rooted, belonging. Call upon this cocoon in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Remember these hands that hold you, your hands. We say thank you. We come back to our bodies, to this present moment, And when you feel ready, you can open your eyes and find your way to your journal, where you will take 8 minutes to free write, allowing any words to flow from the paper, from you to the paper, to solidify your learning, your knowing, your experience, your visions, all of it. Our writing practice and reflection time is an opportunity to solidify what you know and what you have learned in your meditation. This is the chance for you to connect more deeply with what you know, to solidify your learning, and to record your progress as you move upon your spiritual path and your journey of self-love. So please take this time to be in touch with you and nurture your relationship with yourself. Have a great day.